I literally swore I had the brush in my hand and then I looked and it wasn't even a brush. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm going to be putting my hair in a bun and putting like 2 braids in the front and 2 in the side. I don't even know what that hairstyle is called, but we're just going to do it. Yep. Let's get into the video. I don't know what to put the lights on. I think I'm filming this on Thanksgiving Day. Yep. First thing that I'm gonna do is part my hair like that. So yeah, I'm parting my hair like that for the 2 braids that are gonna be in the front. So I'm gonna just do that to both sides real quick. Okay, so I just put the rest of my hair up so I could do this. I'm gonna braid these 2, but I'm gonna get some product to put in it. Yeah. Okay, so I just finished braiding these 2. What is that? Like, come on now, bro. Like, you never had to do that to me. So, what am I gonna do? Running. I'm gonna take these pieces down so that I can braid them. Yeah, and just to... I can't even see that well, but yeah, parting it like that. Okay, this isn't even. Kind of uneven, but it's fine. Now we're gonna do this side. I don't even have a hair tie, bro. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put my hair up in a bun real quick. Fix the bun later, but okay, so we're gonna take these. I look crazy, but it's fine. We're gonna wet these. We're just gonna brush these out and then put the product in it and braid both of these. Yep. I stopped braiding them like halfway because yeah, whatever. I'm gonna do my edges now. This is like a mirror, so I'm not just like crazy looking to me. I broke my sister's mirror, so yep, we're just gonna use this. I'm using Eco Gel. Okay, so I finished my edges. They're okay. Yeah, they're okay. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows because they got messed up because of my braids. My bun didn't really need to get fixed that much. I think I'm done. Oh. But yeah, so this is my hair now, how it looks. I think it looks okay. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked this video, please give it a like. And boy, I never do my hair. I haven't done my hair in so long. But yeah, if you guys like this, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So that'll be it for this video. But I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it was helpful if you have my texture hair. I have like 3B, not even 3C. It's like basically 3B, kind of 3C hair. But I hope it helped you guys if you are struggling with finding hairstyles to do with your hair. But yeah, let me know if you guys want more hair videos, hairstyle videos, or whatever, because I got you. And I'm trying to upload every Monday, so stay tuned for the next video next week. Bye bye. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.